We're going to be hanging out in the town of Anseong today, but first we're going to get brunch at 37.5. Cafe 37.5 is a chain restaurant. We've been to the one in Pyeongtaek and Cheonan, and here we are at the one in Anseong. They serve an assortment of brunch items and drinks to include coffee, juice, wine, and beer. They also have pizza, pasta, steak, and fried rice. My favorite drink to get is the Blueberry Aid, which is blueberry puree and sparkling water. My husband and I split the tomato sauce omelet. The omelet is stuffed with cheese, rice, and veggies and topped with a tomato meat sauce. We also split the ricotta cheese salad, which is delicious, but the ricotta cheese tastes a little more like the US version of cream cheese. We're at Anseong Farmland right now, and they have some farm animals that you can interact with and a few fields that are full of flowers. One is full of pink grass, which is really popular right now in September, and the other one is full of cosmos, which is a pink flower. So let's check it out. Where are we?
We just entered the main ticket office and gate. So we're here.
Yeah. And then over here is the pink grass.
Molly grass.
And cosmos field.
But
look at how huge these are.
Never seen these actually growing in the wild. Those weird seed pods that I've only seen in like craft stores.
You're right.
Very cool grass in it.
This is a really popular area to take photos, as you can see. You can ride these carts around the farm. These goats.
예방을 위하여 잠시 안내 말씀 드리겠습니다. 머리띠 홈페이지는 사인과의
Look at this one's teeth.
Oh man.
Oh my gosh.
It's gonna eat your phone.
So we got this fruit juice. It's like a concentrated fruit juice, ginger flavor, and these tents behind me. He said that they're gonna be here while the cosmos are in bloom, and they're selling local food, basically.
All the way through fall.
Yeah, we're gonna mix it with some sparkling water. So you just put a little bit of the juice in the bottom and then fill the rest with sparkling water. And he said that there's a rice drink, a rice water drink that you can get at a convenience store, and mix it with the ginger as well. It's supposed to be really good. So we're finished at the farmland. It was very much geared towards kids. They had some fun rides, an arcade. What else did they have? Oh, go-karts. Just a bunch of stuff like that. But then
Animal petting.
yeah, I was there for the flowers and the animals. So that was fun. Now we're gonna check out this digital media art exhibition called Nature Fantasia. It's literally right next to the Anseong Farmland. The exhibition is broken into 5 different rooms, each with its own theme. The overall message is empathizing and coexisting with nature. The exhibition runs through May 1st of 2021, and I definitely recommend checking it out. It's so beautiful, relaxing, and mesmerizing. Our next stop is going to be Starfield Mall, and we're going to grab some dinner while we're there. Starfield Mall in Anseong has a large selection of cafes, bakeries, and any kind of cuisine you could imagine. We decided on getting Thai food at a restaurant called Gate 9. This mall is huge and has a few brands that I recognize, such as The North Face, Columbia, H&M, and Zara, to name a few. This is actually cotton candy. How fun is that? On the bottom floor of the mall, there is a warehouse called E-Mart Traders. The setup is very similar to a Costco store, but the difference is that you don't need a membership to shop here. They carry electronics, household goods, fresh produce, cleaning supplies, and other items in bulk. It's been a long, fun day in Anseong, and now we're driving home. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.